Hey guys, once again your Vaping Minuteman is here, and today it's once again Vapebox time, so stick around, we'll be right back. Okay guys, we are back once again for a Vapebox unboxing. Now, for those of you that do not know, Vapebox is a monthly subscription service. Now, I am not sponsored by Vapebox, but I do highly recommend it. Now, there are three options. You have the Enthusiast Box, which is what we will be unboxing today. It comes with one piece of hardware at least, and over 120 milliliters of e-liquid. Now, you can get that for just $60. Then you also have the next box, which is 120 at least milliliters of e-liquid. Now, that right there is, I believe, $35 or $32. Then lastly, you have the last box, which is at least 90 mils of e-liquid, which is right around $22 to $25. And we're going to get into that just in a little bit. We're going to go ahead, go down, as always. We're going to watch it just as I unbox it, and we'll be here in just a second. Okay, as you see, for some reason it's not wanting to focus. There we go. As you see, it comes in the regular flat rate envelope. I don't know why, for some reason it just does not want to focus whatsoever. But, oh well. We're going to pull out the trusty dusty knife, and we're going to cut it. Okay. As you see, it is the normal packaging. You do see Vapebox there. Just the normal white box, which I've always loved. You do have their branding on the bottom. Nothing else, just on the side and on the top. And we're going to look at it as we see it. Now, wow. As you see, hopefully we can get it to focus. Vapebox June of 2018. We're going to look at this later, but of course, they packed the hardware on top. I hate that they did this time. Oh, no wonder, because it's all the way to the bottom. As you see, it is the Intrepid RTA by Blitz Enterprises. Now, I have not reviewed this yet. I have never used it. I have watched a few reviews of it. And you know what? I'm going to just wait until later to make a decision as to whether or not I like it. But as always, you see the nice little recyclable fluffies in here. So let's go ahead and we'll pull out the e-liquid. That way we can actually look at it all at one time. I'm going to completely empty it, get rid of this box. That way we can focus on the good stuff. Move out the Intrepid. And then, oops, I just spilled them all over the place. I gotta clean that up tonight. Oh well. But as you see, we did get the 4 e-liquids from Vapebox. Now, where did I put that? Right there. Now, Green Crack, which is this one from Bombs. It is supposed to be a tangy green apple sour belt. Now, just looking at it flat out, the bomb to me is not that big of a deal. But I do like the rest of that, the way that looks. That is actually a very nice label. So this one will definitely be getting reviewed. Fruity, which is, or Palmberry by Fruity. A sweet strawberry and pomegranate, which again, very good labeling. I love that labeling. As always, 6 milligram nicotine. And then you have Orange Shake by Dairy Dreams. Again, another very nice label. This is why I'm not a big fan of fancy labeling that is terrible. Now, Orange Shake is a vanilla ice cream with squeezed orange juice. That actually sounds really dang good. So, I'm really looking forward to that one. And maybe we'll put some today from this inside of my Kylan, because that's the RTA I have out and working. So, maybe we'll go ahead and put some on that. And Kali Yoga Mango. That is a Japanese mango yogurt drink. Actually sounds pretty good. I mean, this vape box hit all of my things, but as always, the Intrepid RTA. Now, I'm not sure I got the stainless steel, as you see. I will be not opening this in the video, due to that way I can actually open it up in the review. And I will get this review done because I'm going to do it right after this one. So I'll definitely be getting that done tonight. The review will probably be a week or so down the road because I got a ton of other reviews I got to record this weekend as well. Now, let's look at what we got. For $60, we got everything you see here, which I'm going to turn this one back up that way. We got the Intrepid RTA, which they are giving it at $32. You get Kali Yogo, which is $13 for a 30 mil at 70 VG 30 PG. Orange Shake is a 70-30 blend for a 60 mil, $23. Palmberry is a 60 mil, $20, and it's a 70-30 blend. Now, for a 30 milliliter of green crack, it is $20. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, I am not a big fan of that price. That price is way too high. So, I'm going to say, in all honesty, this should be no more than $12 to $15. So, I'm flat out going to take $8 off of what the value is. So, a total retail value is $108. Like I said, I think this one's way overpriced for what the prices are today. So, I'm not a big fan of the price of this one. So, it's not going to get a good review. I'm going to tell you right now, that price is going to take a lot off of the review when I review it. But for everything I got, they're giving a total retail value of $108. I think it's more of a value of $100, simply because I believe that this one right here is way overpriced. But even so, I only paid $60 for what you see here. And that is a lot less than you would pay going to the store and buying each of these, or going online and buying these. Now, let's flip back up top and we will finish this out. Okay, guys, now that we're back up here, as you saw, it was a great vape box. I am actually very excited for the Intrepid, and I will tell you, next month, I will be switching over to probably getting me some actual RDAs again. And I'm going to go ahead and pull me out some Dairy Dreams e-liquid orange shake. Smells pretty good. And I'm going to just tip that sucker and put it right in. And I'll give you some first impressions on this. Now, mind you, once again, I'm going to give it a little bit of time working with these e-liquids before I do a review. I'm not one of these to just pump out e-liquid reviews. I have to actually look at them. You can definitely taste the orange. And I have to say, I really like the dairy side of it. I might actually try to copy a little bit of what that one came out to see if I can make one close to what I want. But I have to say, very good e-liquid. But like I said, I will give each of these a run for their money. Actually check them out, see what's going on with them. But now, I am going to tell you, I do have a link down the bottom. And right now, the referrals are kind of screwed up. We don't know what's going on. They're changing things up on Vapebox. They just recently changed up their actual mainframe, so things are a little different there. They are still giving the bumps when it comes to the perks. So if you use my referral code and you go there, which it will be the link down in the description, you will receive up to 15% off in-store credit. And I have used in-store credit. I used it actually to buy my drag. And just recently I purchased, for the purposes of the channel, a pod system. So I will be reviewing that pod system when it comes in. But you know what, guys? We're going to go ahead and head out of here. As always, guys, don't forget, go out there, sign up for CASA. You know, even though they don't give us everything that we want all the time, you know, they are the best bet for our industry right now. Bah! I love doing the knife scares. But, I do them ever so often. I can't help it. But, you know, just remember, guys, we have to look at things in the way that we want to do them. So, do we need advocacy? Yes. And right now, honestly, VTA and CASA are really the only viable groups that I can see. But we're going to head out of here, guys. And remember, if you want to get a vape box and you're interested in it, they do send out mods. I mean, I actually got this one, which we'll be getting a review here soon. The Captain PD 1865. It's not that much different than the Captain PD 270, but I will still give it a review. But we are getting out of here, guys, and I will see you on Friday. Hey, if you like what you've seen here, there's much more to come. Just click one of the two boxes up here in the corner. And you know what? If you've liked it, make sure to subscribe. Just click the little button right there. Talk to you later, guys.